各位同学，大家好，欢迎收看 Discovering Chinese 第9课教室里有什么 Day 4 Video， 我是肖老师。首先，我们先复习一下。Let's start with a little review. On the left side of the screen is traditional character. On the right side is simplified character. 有两个人。There are two people in the dialogue. They are 白玛丽还有李大中。白玛丽说：“你的电脑在哪里？”你的电脑在哪里？ It means where is your computer? 李大中 then in reply says, 我的电脑在教室里。我的电脑在教室里。My computer is in the classroom. I would like to quickly remind you in English when you say, where is your computer? But how would you say it in Mandarin? So you want to say it in the order, the word order that you would say in the statement. So the whole thing will be your computer is where? Your computer is where? So that would be the order of how you ask this question in Mandarin. So if we translate that, it will become 你的电脑在 is this 哪儿 or 哪里 And to answer this question, you will reply in the word order that you would also use in English. So in reply, you will want to say 我的 my 电脑 computer 在 is at 教室里 inside the classroom. So did you notice when I said inside the classroom in English, I actually said classroom inside in Mandarin, right? And why is that? Because I'm only replying to this question here, and the only thing I would need to change is to change this question word 哪 into the specific location that I want to reply. So all I need to do is to change this 哪, take out this 哪, and put the specific location. You can pretty much see the same pattern in the second part of the dialogue. 那是谁的教室? Whose classroom is that? So in Mandarin, you want to say 那是 that is 谁的 whose 教室 classroom to ask the question. And to reply, you want to use the exact same word order by saying 那是王老师的教室. The word order of the question and the reply are exactly the same. The only thing that is different is you take out the question word, and you use in reply the actual answer you want to provide. In the last class, we learned how to say top, bottom, inside, outside, front, and back. 面 means side. So top would be 上面 top. 下面 bottom. On top of bottom. 里面 inside. 外面 outside. 前面 in front of. 后面 behind. In this dialogue, we want to ask where Xiaowen's textbook is. So we said, 小文的课本在哪里? To translate this sentence word for word is 小文子课本 textbook is at where? 小文课本 is at where? Now notice I use 在 for is at together. You don't need to say 是在, you just need the word 在, and that's good enough. To reply to this question, you only need to say the exact same thing, except you change 哪里 into the answer. So you want to say 小文的课本在. Okay, you stop here, and then you say 桌子上面. So 桌子上面 literally it means translated for word 桌子是 table. 上面是 So in English you said on top of the table. But in Mandarin, remember when you're doing Mandarin you have to flip it around. You want to say table on top of. And why is that? Because in Mandarin, you always want to mention the bigger concept of space and work toward the smaller concept of space, as opposed to English. English, you always want to say the smaller concepts of space, which is on top of, and then you work toward the bigger concept of space, which is the table. Alright, that concludes what we've learned previously. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, you probably want to go back to the old videos and watch them again. Now we are going to look at the new content, and it will only be covered using 2 slides. Let's take a look at the picture. What's in this backpack? 有手机、铅笔、电脑、笔记本，还有书。So how do you ask people what's in their book bag? You want to say, 你的书包里有什么？你的 your 书包 book bag or backpack 里 inside 有什么 have what? 有 you should know this character very well by now. It means have. It means have. 什么 means what? So it literally means your book bag inside have what? What do you have in your backpack? In reply, you want to say 我的书包里 my backpack inside 有 have 手机铅笔电脑笔记本 and then before you come to the last one you want to say 和 right here 和 means and the last thing 和书. This is exactly how you would do it in English as well, right? When you mention a list of things, you want to say, I have A, B, C, D. And before you mention the last thing in the list, you want to say and. In Mandarin, how do you do that? You have to say 和, and then you say the last thing. Now we are going to cover the last piece of the new content. We are going to use a lost and found scenario to make this concept more tangible. In this scenario, 大钟和小美, they both have the same backpack and they lost them at the same time. So you're the person who are at the lost and found, and you try to give them back their correct backpack. So this is a dialogue between you and 小美. You said, 小美你的书包里有什么？小美 what is inside your backpack? And then 小美 reply, 我的书包里有手机。手机 right here. So she mentioned 手机。铅笔，铅笔。电脑，电脑。和 and 和 we just talked about it in last slide. 和书，书。Now, you're looking into both backpacks and you also saw 大中的书包里也有 also have 手机、铅笔、电脑和书。So you're not sure. So you want to ask her, 你的书包里还有什么？还有什么？ So if you look at this question carefully, it's almost exactly the same question as the first question that you asked Xiaomei, except for one word, and this word is 还 right here. 还 means still. So basically you're asking, what do you still have in your 书包 other than what you just mentioned? So let's think about another scenario where you can use 还 in daily life. For example, 肖老师 likes to pass out chocolate for students. And after she passed out, you still want some more chocolate. And you want to ask her, 肖老师，你还有 chocolate 吗？ Do you still have chocolate? Do you still have more chocolate? 肖老师，你还有 chocolate 吗？ Now you see how that can be useful, right? Alright, that'll be all for today's lesson. I'll see you next time in class.